Welcome everybody to the Garden Models. My name is Sophia, which I think you all know my name. So guys, I told you before, and today I'm gonna go show you what I'm gonna do in this game, because I'm gonna be playing this for a little while. So we're gonna purchase the elder strawberry seed. And guys, I'm gonna let you know how to get this jandel thing. I'll link the game into the description so you can guys play this too. So you don't need to worry. So I'll show you the link in the description so you can guys play this too. And I will go show you, and I'll do a tutorial how to get this. Soon I will give you guys a tutorial how to do it, so you don't need to worry about anything else. I want to jump. I need to jump. Well, I'm good at jumping. So I'm gonna get so many. So these are like these eggs. I'm gonna do one at a time because I'm gonna tell you what one I really want. I really evil want Shalaleo Tralala. Saturnita. I really want like Saturnita. Oh, okay, never mind. I like Saturnita. That's fucking Saturnita. Yes. I'm very happy I got that brain roll. I'm really happy. Well, I can only get 3. That's it. I'm not having this. Yeah, I got 1 token. Oh, I got 30 tokens. So that's cool. Let's see if we get lucky. Mango, we got a golden mango. So we're gonna plant it there. So an aura has begun. Oh, golden strawberry. Another golden strawberry. This is annoying me already. Golden carrot. You're kidding me. Got a mango seed again. I've had enough. So yeah guys, I will link the game into the description so you can guys play this too. And also I will be doing guys a tutorial how to get this jandel pet. So all of you can get it, so don't need to panic about where you can get it from. I will link it as soon as I can. Chocolate, I want chocolate. 22 hours? Are you kidding me? I think they'll be adding new seeds soon to this thing. Oh, I hope so. Oh yeah, I can't really jump anymore. Oh, I didn't even start the cooking. That was... What? Unexpired, I'll do some of my golden, yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna do it now anyway. So I'm gonna guys just doing a tutorial anyway because I can't really like doing my next video. So this is what the game's called. Brain Rots Grow a Garden modded, and it is by CC Studios official. So it should come up like this. Then scroll down, and then if you don't worry about my server name. I just gave it a random name because like I didn't know what to think of, so I just did that. So what you guys are gonna do now is you're gonna walk over to the game. You're gonna talk to Jandel. Guys, give me a moment. It's just doing like this. But I'm just gonna check this out first, and then I'll be with you, guys, because it is annoying me already. This thing. Okay, so okay, I don't care about my garden right now. I need to care about getting my friends to think. Yeah. So now what you're gonna click on Jandel, and you're gonna say, "Can I join your team?" And you'll say, "Yes, you are now officially in Team Jandel." And then we're gonna destroy Team Sammy, and then you should get this pet, and then you can place it anywhere. You should get this. Oh, where's all my pets gone? Oh, there it is. It was just hiding. Okay, I'm just thinking about what I really want. I want this one, or the baby tralala tralala, or the normal tralala tralala. Let's see what I get. If I get another Saturnita, guys, I will do another giveaway. Tralala tralala. Let's place it. Wow, this guy's gone heavy. I'm calling him Jandel. Mimi. Tralala tralala. Oh, where did it go? It keeps doing this. Okay, guys, so I think this is what we've all got time for today. And tomorrow I will do a K-pop Demon Hunters of Tokaboka. I will. Because I know a lot of you have been seeing it on the internet, I know. So I will, guys, make a video of that tomorrow. So I'll do part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7. You know, like on that, or like a pattern. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna head to bed now. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow after school, because that's when I'll start on the Tokaboka world. So anyway, guys, see ya, bye.